So today we will discuss on the synaptonymal complex. Synaptonymal complex is actually a scaffold. It is a structural protein which is seen during the meiosis. See, it appears during the lactotaine stage and disappears after the diplotaine stage. So this scaffold is a mechanical functioning protein which helps in the adhesion of homologous chromosomes during the crossing of. It consists of two lateral elements and a central element. The lateral elements is showing affinity towards the histone proteins in the DNA. So it is seen on two lateral sides. Actually, synaptonymal complex is formed of synaptonymal complex protein 3 and 2. In the center, there is an element which is known as central element. It is made up of protein, synaptonymal complex protein 1. So, this complex is a tripartite structure consisting of two parallel lateral regions and a central element. This structure, tripartite structure, it is seen during the Pachytene stage of first meiotic prophase. Previous to the Pachytene stage, during leptonema, the lateral elements begin to form and they initiate and complete their pairing during the zygotine stage. After the Pachytene ends, the synaptonymal complex is becoming disassembled and can no longer be identified. Here you can see two lateral elements. This lateral element is binding to the histones protein in the chromatin reticulum or chromosomes. And on both two sides, this lateral element is seen and it is interrupted by a central element, and that central element binds these two lateral elements. So here you can see the chromatin as well as a sister chromatid, then two homologous chromosomes which are binded by a synaptonymal complex. Lateral element is marked here and the central region, central element is marked. In between the central region, there is a recombination nodule which moves throughout the length of this synaptonymal complex, which results in the exchange of genetic materials or recombination. This was first described by Montrose J. Moses in primary spermatocytes of crayfish and D. Forchates in spermatocytes of pigeon, cat and man, etc. In electron microscope, synaptonymal complex is seen with the two lateral elements formed of SYCP3 and SYCP2. The central element is formed of SYCP1 protein complex. Formation of synaptonymal complex reflects the pairing of synapses. If there any mutation occurs to the synaptonymal complex, then there will not be any exchange of genetic material or recombination. The synaptonymal complex show very little structural variability among eukaryotic organisms, despite some significant protein differences. In many organisms, it carries one or several recombinant nodules associated to its central space. These nodules are thought to correspond to mature genetic recombination events or crossovers. You can see that the two sister chromatids, which were shown in two different colors, and they are undergoing pairing. After the formation of synapses, synaptonymal complexes binding these two sister chromatids, then crossing over occurs, and this is the picture explaining the synaptonymal complex with the central element and two lateral elements. That's all about the structure of the synaptonymal complex.